Yeah?
Ready?
Oh, thank you. Well, that's something to eat for a hard-working laddie.
It is.
Oh, look at that. Anyway, people, this is just a little experiment because I was using my other phone to try and upload a thing that I did. A little thing with a dog jumping in the car when I was cleaning the rubbish out the car, and it wouldn't go from the phone to the computer. So this is just a little experiment, and I'm just pissing about. As I say, I'm just dipping my toe in the water with this YouTube stuff. So gone blank again. I'm good, aren't I? Yeah. Anyway, if anybody sees this and they don't go on about health and safety saying, oh, you don't want to put all your wood up in the corner because it could go on fire, who gives a shit? Piss off, maggot. So just look, relax, chill. It's a bit boring, but as I say, it's only an experiment to see if things are being used, things are working on this phone rather than the other phone. Both of them are Samsung Galaxy S3s, and they don't pay me. It is nothing to do with it. It's something to do with epoxy files. Anyway, oh god, the Ice Maiden is shouting something. Hold on. Hello, sweetheart. You said
Galaxy S5s, not S3s.
Oh yeah. See, she who knows all knows fuck all. Anyway, tally ho. Bye bye. Now, how do you turn it off? How do you turn it off, Laska? That button there.